outdoor unit should be running. This, as you probably already know, is the 2020 Heil 1.5 ton 14-seer heat pump at my dorm building. Just fired it up in heat mode. Really cold air coming out of there. Warm enough. Might take a minute. But this is the first time it has ran in heat mode since I did the first heat mode startup almost a month ago. Obviously it's ran since then. There's been times where it's been warm and the AC was needed. And just the other day, as a matter of fact, we had like record-breaking warmth, and then on Halloween things really chilled off. And this is the American standard. I got defrosting a few hours ago. Not running right now. It's about 11:20 a.m. and I think it's about 45 degrees right now. It was about 30 this morning, and it's still pretty windy, so it's rather chilly outside right now, but I'm surprised nothing else is running because it's been quite chilly the last couple days. Let's see if that suction line warmed up a little bit more. But I would imagine it's going to take a while for this unit to get it up to 68 because it was 65 in there, as you saw. I just got my temp gun. Man, I think this unit's short cycling right now. I know this damn thing's not blowing out 50-degree air. Oh, it might have been because I was pointing at the compressor. Okay, that seems more accurate. Right now I'm kind of pointing at the coil. I'm going to see if I can try to point it at the base pan without hitting the compressor so that it gives me more accurate reading. There you go. Oh, and it looks like it's already starting to freeze. That copper coil back there is frozen. No sign of ice on the coils. I mean, humidity's not that high, so I wouldn't expect there to be suction line. Let's see. This thing is not very good on the suction line. There you go. That's about right. And the coil should be about 25 to 30 degrees. Close enough. Last night, one of these units was running in cool mode when it was like 40 degrees or high 30s. And I knew it was in cool mode because the suction line was cold, but I think it might have been left in cool mode because of that mini heat wave we had earlier this week and this past weekend. But I think it was actually this unit. I don't recall if it was this one or that one, but I think it was this one. It hasn't really been running since, I think the last time I heard it ran was around 10 p.m. So this is something I just got this past weekend when I was at home. My dad gifted this to me. This is a Pro anemometer, which is similar to the temp gun, but it measures the speed of wind and the temperature of it. So it's not exactly alike, but it's kind of similar. So this, I believe, has an 850 RPM fan motor. Oh no, this is an 1100 RPM fan motor, so this should be pretty strong air. Obviously that temperature is not anywhere remotely close to being accurate. So about 13 miles an hour. So when I went inside, the temperature was already at 66 and the auxiliary heat had already shut off, so it's getting it up quicker than I thought it would. It looks like this one's freezing up a little bit. So I'm thinking maybe I'll have a defrost cycle before long. My class doesn't start until 2:30, and it's now, it's like 11:15 the last time I checked, or 11:20. Which is, oh, it's 11:50 now. So still got plenty of time, and I already got 2 defrost cycles this morning anyway, so if I don't get it, I'll still have plenty of other chances throughout the winter to catch defrost cycles. I'm hoping I can have a full of this one before too long. Anyway, I'm gonna go back inside and then if one of these defrosts, I might hear it. I don't really feel like waiting out here for one of them to defrost, but you know, frozen that line is in there too. But yeah, that's gonna be what concludes this video. 2 Heil heat pumps running in heat mode. Kind of wish the American Standard was running, but oh well. Anyway, thanks for watching.